What's up, everybody? So in this video I'm going to show you how to replace a skill saw blade. So what you want to do is first figure out what size blade you have. Most skill saws is going to be 7 1/4. All you have to do is unscrew this bolt. It's normally about 1/2 inch. You got this one nut and this one washer, and that's all. Your blade pops right out. It's a brand new beautiful blade, and you want to make sure that the blades, when you put it on, are facing upward, and when you turn the saw on, they're going to be rotating counterclockwise. That's all you do. Slide it back through, past the guard right there. Put your washer back on. And that is it, guys. Brand new, beautiful blade. Now you can have perfect clean cuts.